when you start, it will be like this. When you now put it in the case, very well. When your guy now dig you deep, how do you sound?
Say, aww.
Oh, it's another crazy edition of what I call jam question. So I've taken it back to the streets again to ask people this very simple question, as usual. What sound do you make when you are enjoying yourself? What sound do you make when you are having sex? Huh? Isn't that very simple? Is it yeah? Is it Just give me the ringtone. I just hope I won't be slapped today. I know you want to find out what people have to say. Just have to stick around. Let's go. What sound do you make when you are having sex?
Wow, that's so interesting.
What sort of question is that? So you want to know my ringing tone?
Your ringing tone.
Okay.
Your ringing tone. I want to know your ringing tone.
Don't mind me, I'm a very funny person.
Okay.
I'll climb him, then start knocking him like, oh yeah.
First of all, I'll tell him, baby, suck my breasts. Then I'll say, baby, suck it harder.
Yeah, baby, I like that. Come on, baby, give it to me. Don't be stingy, baby.
Don't be stingy,
yeah.
baby.
Then from there, tell him turn to the back.
To the back.
Yes, the back side. Then I'll tell him, oh, baby, fuck it hard. So sweet. Hit it hard, baby. Oh, baby, you're so sweet.
Just they give us. No, we say she must not make noise now. What she don't sabi whine the thing, everything don't finish now.
Oh, I don't know.
You've made one sound already, sir.
Oh, no,
That's the same sound I make.
Like seriously?
When you're having fun, that's what I said.
No.
When you're enjoying yourself.
No, I don't know. I don't make sound.
You're always silent.
I don't make any sound.
Treasure. You want to tell me say if me and you go inside room now, you not going to make any sound?
Which kind of sound I won't make? I feel they make if you pay me.
I can't even really tell, but it sounds like
That's dicey.
Yes.
Okay, so what sound do you make when you are having sex?
None. I've not had sex before.
You not had sex before?
Yes.
So when you are doing that, what does your baby say when you are doing all those?
Maybe we say, Vicky, baby, you're the sweetest. So, you're so sweet. You're the best.
baby, you're killing me. Baby, politics is the thing. Buhari don't come back.
During that thing, Buhari don't come back.
Make it not come back. I say they be now. You combine politics, combine science on top the ringtone too.
You say, baby, yeah, I'll give it to you, baby. You're so sweet. You're the best. Yeah. And you'll be spanking my ass back.
I love you so much. I'll die for you, baby.
You understand?
It does not pain you.
No, I'll tell him, baby, come on, spank my ass.
You be the one to even say it, like, bah!
Yeah. Come on, baby, spank my ass. Spank it
very well. What do you now normally say when your boyfriend now puts it deeper?
I'm taking a deep breath. Just say, baby, you're so sweet. You're the best. Hit it hard, baby.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
That means you enjoy it very well.
Yeah, it's so sweet. You know.
What's that?
Lollipop. Suck his dick very well.
Oh.
You like that one?
You don't go like the taxi. So sweet. It's not bitter at all.
No, not at all.
It's not even painful. That's why you are a virgin now.
Don't tell my mom
I won't tell your mommy now. It's between me and you. Maybe we are gisting now. Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you, best.
Hug me now.
Is it okay like that? Is it? Maybe me the jam question. I know be Dundee. I know be fool. What a jam question. I actually doubted that people were going to answer, but they did. So you too, you can answer us. Put it in the comment section, your ringtone and your soundtrack. We want to know. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you get updates faster. Until the next time you find me on your screen, they call me Florin YP. Oh! Thanks for choosing Bata Box. Oh, Digba.
Bata Box.